welcome back to my channel. Today is cleanup day because we are having a new workspace setup. We'll see how things go. Let's get to it.
Heroes falling, I'm still calling. Heroes falling, I'm still calling. Heroes falling, I'm still calling. Heroes falling, heroes falling, I'm still calling.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
Heroes falling, I'm still calling. Heroes falling, heroes falling, I'm still calling. Heroes falling,
Baby, I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Just all
Little update is when I was fixing the my new desk, our power went out, so I didn't really care to vlog me moving my old desk or anything like that. I'm sweating. The power's back on, the AC's on. Yes. It's been a whole month. Y'all kind of crooked. Let me see. Okay. It's been a whole month since I had this beautiful setup. And am I going to change it up next year? No. Probably just the decor. Because, you know me. I change up my desk every single year. But this desk is amazing. I just love how I can rearrange a lot of things on this, and I just love how I can keep everything minimal, because I used to have a big desk back then and I used to just put a lot of junk on it, but this desk is just minimal. Like, everything I need is on it, everything I need is in my drawers, and I got it all white because our room was very dark. And I love how my setup is right now because it's so warm and cozy. It's not the best looking in some people's eyes, but in my eyes, in my opinion, it's the best looking one.
Love with you, okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little